wig besties, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a quick install on an old frontal wig. So I'm just outlining the hairline with my Fabulous Tea lace glue. I'm going to be putting the product link in the description box for you to purchase if you're interested. So I've just done that now. I've cut the HD lace in half and I begin to trim the excess lace on the cap, right? Make sure you do this. Don't tug, don't pull at it, just carry on in the natural hairline. And yeah, I do like to cut my my ear tabs as well, just a little bit. Make sure it's nothing too much. Then yeah, I am just using my Ruby Kiss foundation just to create that bald cap method. Make sure you use a spoon tone. Yeah, that's just me giving myself a hype moment. Yeah, so yeah, just carry on doing that. And yeah, I mean, the video is pretty much self-explanatory at this point. So I'm just cleaning, wiping off that excess foundation around my hairline with rubbing alcohol. Here I am placing the lace on my head, trying to find the natural, trying to make sure it fits perfectly well. So make sure you do this before you begin to apply the lace glue. Then when you're applying the lace glue, make sure you do this, don't put too much in one go, just little dots. And yeah, spread the glue with a stick. So I'm just using a lolly stick. Yeah, that works for me, to be honest. So I did notice that as I went in, kind of feels like the wig is a lot smaller. I don't know, for some weird reason. I don't know why, because this is the second time that I'm actually using it, but I'm just going to make it work. Maybe what I'm going to do is I probably will not put it in a high bun. I probably will just, make it do like the side part or a middle part. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. One advice for you besties: if you are reinstalling an old wig, make sure you don't trim the excess lace off your head, if that makes sense. So make sure you've installed it before you begin to trim off the excess lace, because that's exactly what happened to me. Yeah, so that's one hack that you need to know. So I'll just let you carry on watching the video, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. now we've come to the end of the video, and there's me absolutely feeling myself. If you gained a thing or two from my video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. And thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.